Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we'll be looking at bringing the molded detail out of the plastic using panel lining. There are many different methods of bringing out detail in your Gunpla, from dry brushing, using oil and water washes, and then weathering, but today we'll be focusing on panel lining. We'll be utilizing Tamiya panel line accent colors to do our panel lining. I usually use the grey and the black Tamiya panel line colors. You can get them in other colors as well. I use the grey for white sections and the black for coloured sections as well, so like the dark blues in them. Don't forget to shake these vigorously because most of the fragments can be on the bottom, and the thinner and the fragments can be separated, so shake them very well before you use them. Next thing you need is enamel thinner, just to do all the cleanups and things like that. Acrylic thinner will not work on these. I would also suggest full cleanups, a lot of cotton buds. I've only got 3 here, but I've got a bunch right behind me. These will help once they're all soaked up with the panel lining ink. I wouldn't use them, especially against white. And then just some spare tissue paper just to dab the excess enamel thinner off your cotton bud to make sure that it doesn't run against your freshly painted panel lines. As far as application goes, use your brush that you get with the panel lining little glass bottle, and then just dab it on the recesses of your part, and you'll have the capillary action happening where the ink just flows within the crevice of the part. Don't worry about too much about the mess, we're going to clean that up. Just dip a cotton bud into the enamel thinner, and then what I do is just brush the little cotton bud onto the tissue paper. Just make sure there's no runs or anything like that. Then you can gently brush it against your part in areas where you've just put too much panel line. Don't worry about if you take any of your panel lining off with the thinner, you can always reapply it. As you can see, panel lining really brings out the detail in the molded plastic parts of your Gunpla. Going that little extra step will always be worth it. And that's it guys, thanks very much for watching. Please like this video if you liked it, if you found it informative, if you've learned something today. Drop a like, a subscribe, and I also want to thank all my new subscribers that have come onto the channel. You're helping me. Let's try and grow the channel as much as we can, and I'll see you on the next video.